So in the initial video, I talked about introduction to IVF, where I defined it and I explained that you have to be mentally ready, you have to be financially ready, you have to be medically ready. Don't just boom into IVF. So let's go into the IVF process, whereby we'll talk about the things you need to do before starting IVF. So before you start IVF, we have to check for your medical readiness. So for the woman, you need to do some medical checkup. You check your kidney, your liver, your chest, blood clotting profile, and also your heart. You have to be functioning properly because your health is wealth, and you have to be alive and healthy to carry your babies. Also, we do what they call the IVF screening proper, whereby we check the sperm quality, the egg quality, and the womb. The womb is where the babies will be growing. The doctors will transfer the embryos into your womb, and we have to be sure that the space inside your womb is free from infections, injuries, scars, fibroid, polyps. So you're going to do a test called Sono HSG. Also, for the sperm, how viable is the sperm? Because the sperm might be low, but it might be viable. So we check it. Can the sperm fertilize lots of eggs? And also for the eggs, we check the ovarian reserve. For women, you have two ovaries, left and right. They store eggs from the time you start puberty, but they reduce in number as you age towards the age of 50. So it's important we know the ovarian reserve as at now. If you have a low ovarian reserve, well, it's not advisable to, it will be as if you're trying your luck. But your ovarian reserve has to be checked. It talks about the quality and quantity of your eggs. So once we get these results, plus your blood test, viral infections, genotype, blood group, and series of tests. So once these tests are gotten, you are going to be reviewed by the doctor, and they provide the best option to getting pregnant. If you decide to go ahead, if the parameters are not okay, it can reduce your chances. So to improve your chances, for example, if the egg quality is low, you could be on some supplements, or you could decide to go for donor egg. If the womb is severely damaged, you could go for surrogacy, or probably you could try hysteroscopy. Try hysteroscopy to correct any problems with the womb. The IVF screenings and your medical screenings is the most important part of the whole IVF process. This will go a long way in determining the success of your IVF. IVF is not 1+1, but as humans, we need to do all it takes to be sure that we've done our best to improve your chances of getting pregnant.